Hey, welcome viewers. So today I will talk about Nokia 6X 80 audio. So today I will go review their products. So anyone buy this product, then you follow this my description box and get this link. So everyone, please subscribe this my channel and open the notification bar. So go this products review and then start. So everyone, start this my products review. So if it look like it's good and Nokia and the best phone, I think. So you look this nice and easy to use. So everyone knows that it is 4 GB gigabyte RAM and ROM and 32. So after that, it's a nice. So Nokia 6X RAM 4 GB ROM 32 GB and back camera 16 megabyte, front camera 5 mega, Android Air Zero audio, display size 5 into 8 inch and price dollar $430. Anyone buy this product, follow the description box. So it is my review, and so anyone like this, then follow my description. Allah Hafiz.